All right, people, so you have gotten your VA and it's time to do emails, right? Super important. Now, there's two ways you can go about this. The first way I would suggest is getting a CRM, something like Reamaze or Gorgeous. This allows you to implement all of the emails you currently have. You add them to this system and you can give access to your VAs through this system. So they never get access to your actual passwords, and at any point in time, you can take them off of the system and they lose complete access to it. So it's the safest, easiest, most streamlined way to do this, but obviously that comes with a cost, right? And these two systems work based off of a ticket system or a non-ticket system, where anything that comes in, so you can add your social media to these platforms, you can add your emails to these platforms, any communication that you would have with a customer or a client or a fan or someone that follows you, you can add into these systems, and you give your VA access to these systems and they can now answer for you. So it'd be like them actually answering, it'll be like you actually answering these emails and these comments, but it's your VA that's doing it for you, right? So that's one of the ways to do it. The other way I would say is creating a new email that you can forward these emails to, right? And with creating that new email, you can give them access to that particular email that they can use. And with this, it's a little bit more clunky, but it's also cheaper, and it doesn't necessarily cost you anything but creating a new email, right? So you can create a new Gmail, Yahoo, whatever platform that you would use to create this new email system, you can go about it that way. But I think overall it's more beneficial, especially if you're trying to grow and you have multiple emails. I think the best case scenario is to go with a Gorgeous or a Reamaze, because with that, it just makes things easier. The flow is more seamless and it's overall beneficial for you. All right, so if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. I've set these up many times, and anyone on my team or myself can help you get started.